Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Don't act blind. Just take a couple of seconds to look before switching lanes, please.
Knows that we exist and who we are and would like to keep it that way. So the fact that I have raised the threat level and mobilized a response has his space. A little bit can be seen behind.
Why is this old man playing Follow the Leader?
Well, make up your mind. Go or don't go.
Telling the kids to settle down instead of watching the road can cause this.
A few moments later.
I don't think anybody's being patient for their turn. This is why I hate four-way stop intersections. Catching 3 idiots in less than 3 hours is not an easy job.
"20 minutes later. Two hours later.
I really didn't expect that much speed after all. This sub has taught me I'm always an idiot. This idiot runs a red light and pays the price.
What the fuck are you doing? Dumbass.
How did you avoid getting pulled over by the cop? One driver blocks 2 lanes to let the drivers in front of him change lanes. This idiot barrels through a construction zone and then blows past a school bus with its flashes on. This driver cuts me off in the bike lane while turning into a parking garage with no warning or signal. I took the turn way too fast considering the roads were wet. If you understand that scene, let me know in the comments section. Why are you turning on your blinker? We all know we're turning now. Thank you for watching.